Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of pig farming and pork production in Italy. We'll explore the entire journey from raising piglets to the processing of pork meat. Trust me, it's going to be fascinating, so stick around. Next, the carcasses are treated to remove hair and prepare the meat. They are placed in a hot water bath to loosen hair follicles, and then they go through a machine that gently removes the hair. This step is crucial for maintaining hygiene and quality. The pigs are then prepared for processing. The carcasses are divided into halves and washed thoroughly to ensure cleanliness. After this, they are cooled down in very cold temperatures to improve the quality of the meat. The chilled halves are then cut into various pieces such as ham, loins, shoulders, and bellies. These pieces are used to make products like bacon. Did you know that pigs are one of the most intelligent animals? They can learn tricks, recognize their names, and even play video games. Plus, pig skin is so similar to human skin that it's used in many preclinical studies. Fascinating, right? In traditional methods of pork processing, nearly every part of the pig is utilized, ensuring minimal waste and maximum value. For example, the buttocks are meticulously salted and pressed to produce succulent ham, a staple in many households. The ribcage meat undergoes a careful smoking process, transforming it into flavorful bacon that's loved by many. Even the fat is not discarded. Instead, it's rendered down to make lard. This lard is a versatile ingredient used in various cooking applications, adding rich flavor and texture to dishes. From ham to bacon to lard, each part of the pig finds a purpose, showcasing the ingenuity and resourcefulness of traditional pork processing methods. In various parts of the world, the intestines are thoroughly cleaned and fried to create a dish known as chitterlings. This culinary tradition highlights the impressive creativity in utilizing every part of the pig. Chitlins are cherished for their unique flavor and texture, often featured in festive and cultural dishes. This resourceful approach not only minimizes waste but also celebrates the versatility of pork, turning even the most unexpected parts into delicious and valued food. The tradition of making chitlins underscores the ingenuity and respect for the entire animal in pork processing. One essential part of traditional processing is the smokehouse. Here, meat is hung on racks and smoked using fragrant hardwoods like hickory and cherry. This process not only adds flavor but also helps preserve the meat for long-term storage. The result? Delicious, flavorful pork products. Now, let's give a shout out to the meat cutters. These folks work in pork processing factories and retail environments, preparing standard cuts of meat. They work in chilled rooms, often with power tools, and ensure that the meat is ready for us to cook and enjoy. It's hard work, but someone's got to do it. So, there you have it, the journey from piglet to pork on your plate. It's a complex, fascinating process that combines traditional practices with modern technology. Next time you enjoy a piece of bacon or a slice of ham, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get there. Did you know there are over 65,000 pork producers across Italy? Pigs have been a crucial part of our food chain for hundreds of years. But for modern pig farmers, it's not just about tradition, it's about navigating a unique set of challenges. There are several ways to raise pigs. Some farmers let their pigs roam freely, while others use intensive commercial pig farming units. No matter the method, the goal is the same: to run a safe, humane, and profitable operation that meets a variety of consumer demands. So what are the different approaches to raising pigs? We have small-scale farms, large-scale farms, and farms catering to niche markets, like those that provide pork raised with outdoor access. The most popular method, especially in developed nations, is intensive farming. Why? Because it allows farmers to raise a large number of pigs efficiently. In these intensive systems, pigs are housed in climate-controlled buildings. Picture this: thousands of pigs living in well-maintained, clean environments where they have everything they need. It's all about maximizing efficiency while ensuring the pigs are well cared for. Feeding pigs is a vital part of the process. These animals can eat almost anything humans eat, but they need a balanced diet to perform their best. Piglets, for instance, are weaned between 4 to 8 weeks and start on a special diet rich in protein and low in fiber. Have you ever seen a piglet feeding frenzy? It's quite the sight. Now, let's talk about growth. Unlike beef production, pork production moves at a rapid pace. On average, it takes around 6 months for a pig to reach market weight, which is around 300 pounds. That's right, these pigs grow fast. The farrowing stage is where it all begins. And these market-aged pigs? They're like hungry teenagers, gobbling up more than 2.5 kilograms of feed each day. All right, here's where things get really interesting, the processing part. This segment takes up about 30% of our time today because it's a critical part of the production process. When pigs arrive at a pork meat processing plant, they're handled with care. The aim is to keep them calm and comfortable. They have access to water and are moved in small groups using gentle methods. In the pork processing factory, the process begins with stunning the pigs to ensure they are completely unconscious. This is done to make sure the process is as humane as possible. Trained staff and veterinarians oversee every step. Got any questions about pig farming or pork processing? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the food industry. So you've got all that. Have you ever wondered how pork is used in China, the country with the highest consumption of pork in the world? Today I'm going to take you on an incredible journey from the farm to a mouth-watering dish on your plate. There's a complex and intricate process involved in transporting and processing pork. The pork industry has made tremendous strides thanks to technological advancements and sophisticated transportation methods. Let's dive deep into the world of pork, specifically focusing on the processes in China. Join me as we explore this fascinating journey together. When matured, pigs are transported to processing plants. To prevent loss due to muscle fatigue during transportation, accelerometer sensors are installed on transport vehicles to measure vibrations during transit. This typically occurs on specialized transport vehicles equipped with multiple compartments to ensure the safety and well-being of pigs throughout the journey. Workers apply a layer of high-friction material to ensure the pig's safety before they board the truck. This crucial preparatory step helps keep our pork safe and sound. At the processing plant, the journey continues. Chinese farmers often closely collaborate with pork processing plants in the meat supply chain. This collaboration ensures the continuity of meat supply from farms to consumers. At the processing plant, the processing of pigs is carried out using methods that prioritize animal welfare to the fullest extent. Modern quality control systems are implemented at every step of the production process. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of the processing part. This section will take up about 30% of our time. At the processing plant, pigs are conveyed onto a conveyor belt and put into scalding tanks. Water at 140 def will loosen the hair, and scraping brushes will remove most of the hair from the pigs' bodies. The remaining hair will be singed at a temperature of 472 def, which will destroy all bacteria on the skin. Automated machines cut the meat into various portions. Workers use sharp knives to cut the pig's bellies and remove internal organs, performing a downward cut and handling the remaining internal organs separately. Innovative meat processing technology with high levels of automation is a breakthrough in the food industry. From separating and cutting to processing meat, it is done automatically with precision and efficiency. These smart devices replace manual labor while enhancing productivity and reducing production costs. Approximately 60 billion cans of pork are produced each year, constituting a significant portion of the food processing industry. Canned pork undergoes meticulous production, starting with tightly sealing the product. Then, they are heat-treated to remove all spoilage causing microorganisms, resulting in commercially sterile canned meat products. Canned meat not only ensures high-quality, protein-rich food but also provides convenience for consumers. Importantly, canned meat typically has low acidity levels and requires sterilization unless other preventive measures are applied. Countries enforce strict regulations regarding hygiene and food safety. Ever seen the sausage production process? Let's explore a modern sausage manufacturing plant in China. Here, the art of sausage making becomes an intriguing icon. The mass production process begins with carefully selecting quality meats and delicate seasonings such as salt, additives, a mixture of glucose, spices, lactic acid fermentation bacteria, and permitted preservatives. Modern equipment like grinders, mixers, and stuffers support the sausage processing process accurately and quickly. The development of the microbial system plays a crucial role in making live sausages and creating high-quality products. The fermentation process contributes to the product's distinctive flavor and desired characteristics. The fermentation process occurs through the activity of natural microbial systems to ensure the fermentation process is safe and efficient for live sausages. The sausages are then steamed and boiled for about 30 minutes, creating the unique product's flavor and crispy texture. Drying, smoking, and fermentation are also applied to preserve the sausages for extended periods. The drying speed of the sausages should be as slow as possible. The most crucial point in the drying process is to avoid the rapid loss of surface moisture and the formation of a crust on the surface of the sausage. If the sausages lose moisture too quickly in the early drying process, the surface may become stiff and form a crust or shell next to the product surface. Before getting into the pork factory, the pigs have to go through a long process of growing and being taken care of. Farmers adhere to strict standards regarding the quality of feed and living conditions for the pigs. Additionally, farms are regularly inspected to ensure compliance with regulations, making Chinese pork reliable and safe for consumers. On these farms, they utilize automated systems for food delivery to enhance pig farming efficiency and reduce waste. Pigs are easy to care for, adaptable to various environments, and have high reproductive rates. They typically breed twice yearly, with each litter yielding 10 to 14 piglets. During the first 2 weeks after birth, piglets are nursed exclusively on the mother's milk. Ain't that neat? To protect the health of the pig herd, vaccination is an essential part of animal care. These vaccines are designed to shield pigs from common diseases such as swine fever and enteritis. This is crucial for maintaining the health and reproductive performance of the pigs. Pigs on Chinese farms are typically fed 3 times a day with a diet primarily consisting of grains. This diverse diet provides essential nutrients, resulting in delicious and high-quality meat. Providing adequate drinking water, especially during the summer, is also crucial to ensure the pig's health. Don't forget to grab a cup of tea to quench your thirst and leave a comment to let me know you're still watching this video. The pork industry in China is increasingly focusing on environmental protection. Farmers have implemented measures to save energy and reduce negative environmental impacts. They have also invested in waste treatment systems to reduce pollution. Reusing treated water reservoirs helps save water for farm cleaning purposes. So what's your favorite way to enjoy pork? Do you prefer sausages, canned pork, or a good old pork chop? Drop your answers in the comments below. And there you go, folks. From farm to table, the journey of pork is a fascinating one. The combination of technology and tradition in different countries' pork industry ensures that the meat we enjoy is top-notch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights into the food industry. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing content about the world of food processing machines and the food industry. Catch you later.
This is the video we created, hoping to receive support and appreciation from you all.